Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the CreaDream magnetic MagSafe phone stand. Alright, and they say this phone stand is compatible with your iPhone 12 series and upwards, but with some included accessories, this phone stand is actually compatible with any device, and I'm going to explain and show you guys why as we go throughout today's video. But jumping straight in, let's go ahead and talk about the overall packaging and presentation. Now, first things first, CreaDream, you guys have done a great job here. Very minimalistic, very utilitarian packaging, and that is what I like. Very clean and very straightforward and easy to read. So you can see on the front of the packaging here, we got a nice little picture of the phone stand, and we got some highlighting features right there. Okay, flipping it to the side, you can see on the side here, we got some two different model numbers here and some colors that the phone stand comes in. And you can see the one that I have here is the black version. Flipping it along the other side, it's clean right here and it's clean over here. Flipping it to the back, we got a nice detailed description of the phone stand here, along with what is in the box. And again, I really like this. Very clean, very straightforward, very easy to read. All right, now cracking into this box, and pretty much all I've done before pushing record and starting today's video is I just unboxed everything, took all the plastic and tape off, and then I reboxed it up so you guys and gals can see what it looks like. So cracking into the box here, you can see up front we have the phone stand itself, and then we have the pieces that make this a universal phone stand. So these are magnetic rings with 3M adhesive on the back. So yes, this is compatible with the iPhone 12 series and upwards, but if you have a device that doesn't have MagSafe, if you're okay with putting this magnetic ring on the back using the 3M adhesive, then that device will have MagSafe. All right. Or if you have a favorite case for your device, you can put this on the back of your favorite case, and then that case and your device has MagSafe. So this right here, this included accessory, makes this a universal phone stand. All right. So good stuff there in my opinion. Good stuff there indeed. Rest this down. And then you can see also in the box, they do include a nice Allen key. I'm assuming that's to tighten up portions of the phone stand once it gets loose. Some of my other phone stands came with an Allen key as well. And y'all can see that's everything that comes in the box. So let me throw this box off to the side and let's continue on with today's video. So here is the phone stand itself. We can put all these other accessories off to the side. Now this would be perfect for something like my Pixel 6a or any other device that doesn't have MagSafe. Or like I said, you can use your favorite cases for any of your other devices and just clean it up and throw this on the back. And then that device will have MagSafe. Case in point, that's what I did to my iPhone 11. Because my iPhone does not have MagSafe, but I did buy a few of my favorite cases, and I bought some magnetic rings, and I put them on the back of my favorite cases, and now my cases and my device have MagSafe. All right, so that's, you know, a little something you can do to add functionality to your devices if they don't have it. But getting back on task here, talking about the phone stand, I would have to say it's really nice build quality. Talking about the first impressions, so you can see it's fully adjustable, so you can stand it up, you can adjust it like so, right? And it's also 360-degree rotatable as well. So you can really get any position for the phone stand that you would like, okay? Maybe you want to rock it like this, right? And that part is also adjustable, so you can bring this down, but you can also adjust it even further. So the head portion is fully adjustable and the stand portion is fully adjustable, all right? And then, as I showed you, it's 360-degree rotatable, right? So that's really good stuff there as well. And all of the core components here are built out of a nice aluminum, right? So you got painted matte aluminum for the bottom, okay? Then you have painted matte aluminum for the sides, right? And then, as I said, if these loosen up over time, you drop your Allen key in, and you tighten them up, okay? So if this loosens up over time, you drop your Allen key in and you tighten it up. Same thing for down here, okay? If you have a baby screwdriver and an Allen key, you can tighten this up if this loosens up. But really nice build quality overall. And you guys and gals know, maybe you're new to the channel, but one of my inexpensive obsessions, right? Aside from finding you guys the best deals on tech products, is phone stands and tablet stands, okay? I really like a clean, minimalistic setup, and you guys and gals know, or maybe you're new to the channel, but I use my devices for 85 to 95% of what I do on a daily basis. So having a really clean phone stand is very important to me, and I'm sure if you're a longtime viewer, you've seen some of my favorite phone stands show up in videos in the past, okay? And these are two of my all-time favorites right here, okay? And I also have something similar to this, similar to what y'all are seeing in today's video, for my tablet, my S6, my Tab S6. I have like a big tablet version of this for my Tab S6, okay? So when I saw this needing review for the Amazon Vine program, I was like, oh yeah, y'all can go ahead and send that down. I was already in the process of MagSafing all of my accessories, because y'all know me, I'm disabled, and I want to make things as easy and convenient as possible. Meaning for me, that means I'm converting everything over to wireless charging, and in particular, MagSafe wireless charging. So pretty much everything eventually is going to have some type of MagSafe aspect to it. And you can see the phone here slaps on super duper easily. Okay, and again, it's fully adjustable, fully rotatable, so I can use it in landscape, I can use it in portrait, right? Let me just click it back around to make it easier there. I can use it in landscape, I can use it in portrait, I can fully adjust it how I want it to be, okay? And then rotate it as well. So this is pretty much perfect, right? And then to make it even better, right, I still have access to being able to charge my device as well. So I can slap it on here, and I can still have access to charging it with my charging cables, okay? If I do want to use it without using a wireless charge, I could still run my cables and charge it like such. So this is pretty much perfect. And then when I'm ready to take my device off, it just pops straight off. Just that easy. And honestly, I do have some phone calls that I have to get back to after this video. And this is really going to come in handy, especially for the FaceTime calls that I take. Because honestly, y'all, I do not like sitting there holding my device, especially when I'm in the bed and, you know, I'm talking to friends or family, or I'm taking care of a business call. Nah, man. having that FaceTime and something to put my device on is pretty much a must, right? And the fact that this is fully rotatable, meaning, let me just set it up exactly how I'm going to use it. So we're going to do it forward like that. We're probably going to tilt this like this a little bit and then bring that forward and come down. Probably going to use it something like this. Oh yeah, like that. And then take my device, pop, and we're in business. I'm probably going to rock it just like that. And then, I could do my FaceTime call, all right? Or I can rotate it in portrait, watch a YouTube video, watch a movie. Oh yeah, this is going to be perfect. And the really good thing is when I'm not using it, pop it off. It does make a nice little desk accessory when it's not being used. So that's perfect, right? So anyway, guys and gals, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the CreaDream MagSafe magnetic phone stand, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this for about a week, and I'm going to come back with my full review and let you guys and gals know if this MagSafe magnetic phone stand is pretty much ideal for you to pick up and spend your hard-earned money on. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, please feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all my social media handles down below. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when YouTube videos go live on the channel, because I do publish that across all the social media platforms that I'm a part of. Also, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to everything featured in today's video, the phone stand, the devices, the accessories, will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And the video description will contain affiliated buy links. Meaning, if you guys and gals make your purchases using those links down below, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes the affiliate buy links in the video description a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And if there's anything else that you would like to know about today's video or the products featured in today's video, I'll link that up down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Okay? Today's video was recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS. And we are using professional wireless audio for today's video. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, man. I can't wait to start using this. And I actually got some more business and personal phone calls I got to take care of. So we're definitely going to get into using this. All right. Have a good one, everybody. Catch you guys and gals on the next one. Peace. We're out of here.